Okay, so page 185. So now going from logarithmic form to exponential form, the only difference between what we did last time and this time is now we have this lovely a parameter in front, which we learned is a stretch factor. Okay? So we learned before that if y equals b to the power of x, we can put that in log form as log base b, argument y equals value x. Okay, but now we have y equals a times b to the power of x. And we have to put that into logarithmic form. So the first thing we have to do, step 1, is we're going to divide that a to the left-hand side. So we want to isolate the exponent. So we want to have, or we will have y over a is equal to b to the power of x. Can everyone see that we're just dividing by a on both sides? Yeah? Once we get it into this form, we can then change it into log form. Okay, so if we have y equals a times b to the power of x, or y over a equals b to the power of x, we can now convert it. So we have log base b is equal to our exponent, and then the argument is left over, y over a. Okay, so log base b, argument y over a is equal to our exponent x. So, keeping this in mind, we're going to apply that to the next question here. So what do I first do with my a value? Divide. So we get y over 2 equals 3 to the power of x. Then from there we can convert it into log form. Okay, so we have log. What's my base? 3. Good. Okay, what's your argument? Y over 2. And that will always equal the exponent on the base. There you go. Okay, next one, same pattern. We've got to divide by the a value. So we get h divided by 7 equals 4 to the power of k. Then we convert it into log form. We have log base 4, argument h over 7 will equal exponent k. Your logarithm will always equal the exponent from the exponential form. Okay, Chris, can you walk me through the next one?
You can move the r, divide the r over.
Good. So divide by r.
It's going to be log s, t over r equals p.
Awesome. Okay, we get log base s, argument t over r equals exponent p. Beautiful. Okay, now the next one, our a value is a fraction. So instead of dividing by 3 over 2, why don't we just get rid of the denominator and then get rid of the numerator? So if I want to eliminate the denominator, I have to do the opposite of dividing by 2, I multiply by 2. So I have 2y equals 3 times 10 to the power of x. And then to get rid of the 3, you divide. So then we divide by 3, divide by 3. So we get 2 over 3y equals 10 to the power of x. Power with that. Okay, then we just have to put that into log form. So we have log base 10 of our argument, 2/3 of y, is equal to our exponent x. So if there's an a there, are we going to be intimidated? No, we just divide it to the other side, and then we change it to a log form. Okay, now we're going to reverse. We're going from log form to exponential form. Okay, so the base will always be the same. In this case, our base is 7. It's going to be raised to the power of x, and it will equal our argument y over 3. But they're telling us they don't want it to look like this. They want it to be y equals a times b to the power of x. So we need to get y isolated, which means you multiply both sides by 3. And we get 3 times 7 to the power of x equals y. Okay, where 3 is your a, 7 is your b, x is your exponent. Bryce, you help me out with the next one?
4, 10x equals 1.
Not quite. What's your base?
10.
Yeah.
4 times 10
Okay, 10 to the power of?
x
Good?
equals y.
Oh, I see what, you were just quicker than me. Okay, so then you multiplied the 4 out.
I got it. You understood. Oh, yeah.
Good job. Okay, so he just did that in one step rather than breaking it up into 2. Perfect. Okay, some of you might be able to jump, but I'm just going to go slow for these first ones still. So we have 5 to the power of x equals 7y. We need to get y by itself, so your a value is going to be 1/7. Your b is 5. Power of x equals y. Bernie, how you doing there?
I'm great.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. Josie, can you help me out with this one?
Yeah. Y equals 5, or
Yeah.
5e to the power.
Awesome. Does anyone want me to go step by step for that? Okay, good job. So that's lesson 4.